How are you? Beta, today we will do the exercise of chapter number 5. In our previous lecture, we have done our complete chapter on cell cycle. Now we will do our exercise chapter number 5. These are the review questions. First, we will do the multiple choice questions and series. So look at your book. In which stage of the cell cycle each chromosome is duplicated and so it consists of sister chromatids. This is very clear to you. We have studied in a cell cycle. Cell cycle consists of events of series. First one is G1, then S phase, and then G2, and then L, and then G naught phase. So duplication of chromosomes is happened in S phase. So this is the correct answer, B option. Come to the second question. If you observe a cell like this, you can see a diagram is given in your book. Okay, if you observe a cell like this, so what phase of mitosis is it? Okay, you can also see in the diagram. Here are we also study in a mitosis. Okay, when mitotic plate is formed and when it is broken, then chromosomes are separated and they go towards their homes. So this is happened at anaphase stage. So you can see the correct answer is anaphase. Anaphase. Option A is correct. Okay. Now come to number 3. Come to number 3 question. Okay. This is number 3. During which phase of mitosis spindles are formed? So the right answer is that prophase. We also study that mitosis consists of 4 parts: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So the correct answer is prophase. Okay, we have studied that prophase is the longest stage of the mitosis, in which spindle fibers are formed, which pull the chromosomes towards their homes. Now this is number 4. In which stage of cell cycle the cell is preparing enzymes for chromosomes duplication? So the correct answer is that G1 phase. Actually, this is a time period of interphase stage in which cell prepare itself for division. So this is happening in G1 phase. The correct answer is A part. Next one is, this is your number 5. This is your number 5. Look at your book. Which of the following stage of cell division is very different for animal and plant cell? Okay, which stage is different in animal and plant cell? So we have discussed that metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, they are same, but cytokinesis, we also discuss in the book, when cytokinesis happen in animals, then cleavage furrow is broken in the cell, and when cytokinesis is happened in plants, because of that plant cell produce vesicles in the center of the cell, and because of that the cytokinesis is divided. So which stage is different between two animal cell and plant cell? That is cytokinesis. This is your correct answer. Now come to the next part, next question in your book. This is your number 6. Number 6. Prior to cell division, each chromosome replicates or duplicates its genetic material. The products are connected by a centromere and are called. So what is happened? They are called sister chromatids. You also study, okay, when first of all we can see cells in the form of chromatids, invisible in around the nucleus. But when cell prepare itself for division, then they are visible and they are condensed. And when they are condensed and change into chromosome, then each chromosome produce two sister chromatids of itself. So the answer is clear. They are connected by a centromere and are called. So what are they called? They are called sister chromatids. Okay, now come to the next. This is your number 7. The process of mitosis ensures that. What did it tells us? What did it tells us? The options are given in your book. Yes, this is number 7. You can see. Uh, four options are given. Each new cell is genetically different from its parent. Okay. Second is given, each new cell receives the proper number of chromosomes. Third is given, cell will divide at the appropriate time. And number four, chromosomes duplicate without errors. So if we observe the options, we can see each cell new cell is genetically different from its parent. This is wrong because in mitosis they are same. Third option is that cells. Now second option, third option is cells will divide at the appropriate time. So this is also wrong because when cell division is starting, after that a cell uh, definitely will be divided. And the next option is chromosome duplicate without errors. This is also wrong because in chromosome there is a very chance of errors. If there is errors, then it can cause of tumors. We also discuss in the book. So what is the correct answer? Your B option is your correct answer. Each new cell receives the proper number of chromosomes. We have discussed in mitosis. For example, in the start of the cell, if there are two pair of number chromosomes in the parent cell, then in daughter cell they will also receive the same number of chromosomes. So the number 7 correct option is that each new cell receives the proper number of chromosomes. Okay, come to question number 8. This is your number 8 MCQs. Cytokinesis in a plant cell is characterized by, how do we define it? The correct answer is that first we will discuss the option. The equal division of homologous chromosomes. No, this is not happen in cytokinesis because cytokinesis means the division of cytoplasm. Okay. B part, a pinching of the cell membrane to divide the cell. No, this is happened in animal cell, not happened in plant cell. And in this question they are asking about the plant cell. So this is wrong. Come to number 4, the movement of the chromosomes from the metaphase plate. So this is not happened in the plant cells. So the correct answer is that the formation of a cell plate in the cytoplasm. If you keep in your mind the cytokinesis in plants, we have discussed that in the when cytoplasm is divided into the plant cell, at that time a plant cell produce a plate in the center, and it is produced by a vesicles. When these vesicles join, so they make a cell plate. So the formation of a cell plate is responsible for the division of the cytoplasm. So the correct option is number C. Now come to the next question. This is your question number 9. This is your this is your question number 9. Which of the following, look at your book, which of the following is unique to mitosis and not a part of meiosis 1? So options are given: homologous chromosomes pair forming bivalent. No, it is happened only in meiosis, not mitosis. Second is homologous chromosomes crossover. This option is also happened in meiosis, not happened in mitosis. Chromosome pairs are broken during anaphase. No, this is not happened. They all are broken in prophase state. So option D, chromatins separate during anaphase. Yes, this is the right answer. If you understand the question, what is unique to mitosis and not part of the meiosis 1? So it is happened in mitosis when there is a anaphase stage, chromatins separate during anaphase. Okay. I hope you understand it. Then come to our next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Which event distinguishes meiosis from mitosis? Okay, how can we differentiate between meiosis and mitosis? Some events are given in options: condensation of chromosomes. Second is loss of the nuclear membrane. Third is formation of metaphase plate. These three things also happened in animal cell and plant cell. They are same. And number 4, pairing of homologous chromosomes. So this is happened only in mitosis, pairing of homologous chromosomes. So this is the different part between mitosis and meiosis. So option D is correct. Now come to your next page. Now see your next page. Okay, wait. We were discussing. Oh, sorry, this is page number 1. Okay, beta, this is number 11. Look at your book. In which stage of the cell cycle most cells spend their lives? We also discussed that cell cycle consists of two stages, interphase and then mitotic phase. Mitotic phase is the longest stage and interphase is the shortest stage in which cell prepare itself for division. And before division, it spends their most life in the interphase stage. So the number 11 option C is correct. Come to question number 12. Which of the following distinguishes meiosis from mitosis? Okay, so another event you have to tell how they are different to each other. Options are the chromosome number is reduced. Okay, chromosomes undergo crossing over. Now in this question they are asking how meiosis is different from mitosis. कौन से ऐसे इवेंट्स हैं जो मियोसिस में होते हैं बट नॉट हैपन इन माइटोसिस. So the number of chromosomes are reduced. This is true. It is happened in meiosis. Chromosomes undergo crossing over. Yes, this is true. This is happened in meiosis. The daughter cells are genetically different from the parent cell. Yes, this is true. We have discussed in meiosis that they are different from their parent cell. And option D is all of the above. So these all options are correct. So the correct option will be number 12 is all of the above. Come to question number 3. For mitosis, the chromosomes of cell duplicate during interphase. When do the chromosomes duplicate for meiosis? We have discussed in our book that duplication of chromosomes is happen in mitosis interphase stage. So what is happened in meiosis? Okay, how did the chromosomes are duplicated? So answer is very clear, before meiosis 1. We also discussed that when meiosis started, it divided into two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So first stage which comes, that is meiosis 1. So cells duplicates itself before meiosis 1. So this is your correct answer. Okay. Now question number 14. Now we will discuss question number 14 and 15. Find the correct statement. Homologous chromosomes form pairs during mitosis. No, this is wrong. B part chromosomes do not duplicate in the interphase preceding meiosis 1. This is wrong. Homologous chromosomes form pair during meiosis but not mitosis. This is true. Spindles are not required during meiosis. This is true. So the correct answer is that homologous chromosomes form pair during meiosis but not mitosis. This is your correct answer. Now come to question number 15. What reason would you suggest for the fact that total DNA content of each daughter cell is reduced during meiosis? In this question, keep in your mind, they are asking what would you suggest for the fact? Which fact tells you that uh, the number of chromosomes are reduced during meiosis? So we will see the options. First is chromosomes do not duplicate during the interphase before meiosis. This is wrong. Next is given half of the chromosomes form each gamete are broken. No. Sister chromates separate during anaphase of meiosis 1. No. This is happen in mitosis. So the correct answer is that chromosomes do not duplicate between meiosis 1 and 2. We have also discussed this option above the MCQs. If you see your number 13, you can see that chromosomes or cell duplicate during interphase stage in which step before meiosis 1. So if we observe that, so that's why we can see the chromosomes do not duplicate between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in number 15, your option B is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you understand the MCQs. Now we will discuss the uh, understanding the concept. These are your long questions. So first I will discuss your long questions. If you have books with you, I hope you have to write the page number. Where do you find these answers? So first question, long question is there. Okay, what is the cell cycle? First question there. What is cell cycle and what are its main phases? Its answer is given in your book, page number 87 and 88. This is the start of the chapter in which three phases of first two phases, interphase and mitotic, and further their stages G1, G2, S phase and G0 phase is given. So you can find their answer on page number 87 and 88. Now question number 2, look at your book. The S phase of interphase is important and a cell can never divide without it. Justify. Okay, S phase is very important stage in interphase. Yeah, this is true. If you see in your book its answer, you can find it's like this is not a long answer, this is short. You can find on page number 88 in your book. We also know that in S phase cell duplicates a chromosomes and they produce, and each chromosome produce two sister chromatids, and this is all happened in S phase. So definitely S phase is very important in interphase stage. Now question number 3, how would you state the events or prophase of mitosis? In this question, you have to tell just about the prophase of mitosis. So its answer you can find on page number 89 in your book. In this question, you have to explain only prophase. In mitosis, only prophase. Okay. Then come to a question number 4. Question number 4, make a list of the events of mitosis. Events or phases of mitosis, both are same. Events or phases of mitosis, both are same. So you can find the answer of question number 4 in your book, page number 89 to 90, and on page number 91 diagrams are given. So this is also important. In this question you will explain the introduction of mitosis, then you explain the phases of mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Then you explain the division of cytokinesis, and it is given in animal cell and plant cell. So in page number 89 and 90 you can find the answer, and on page number 91 the diagrams are given which are important with this question, long question. Now question number 5, how is mitosis significant? This is the importance of mitosis. It is given with headings in your book on page number 92 and 93, and you have to attempt this question above errors in mitosis. Errors in mitosis is not included in significant. Okay, so your answer will start from page number 92 and it will be ended above the errors in mitosis. To next long question, question number 6, describe the events that occur during the phases of meiosis 1. So its answer is very clear. You have to explain on the meiosis 1 and its stages, and its answer you can find on page number 96 and 97. Okay. Now question number 7. Describe the question number 7. Question number 7. Describe the significance of meiosis. Significance means importance of meiosis. So you can find its answer on page number 100. Its importance is given on page number 100 in your. Now question number 8. Contrast mitosis and meiosis, emphasizing the events that lead to different outcomes. Contrast means different. Okay, what is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? If you see your book, its answer is given on page number 101. Diagram at the center, the diagram is given, and the both sides, the one side the mitosis is given, and the other side the meiosis is given. So you can find their difference with the help of diagrams. So its answer you can find on page number 101. Now question number 9, describe, this is the last question, long question, necrosis and apoptosis. Its answer is given on your page number 102 and 103. I hope you understand all the long questions. Necrosis, we have discussed, it is the programmed cell death in the body, and apoptosis is the accidental death of cells in the body. So these are your long question. Now we will discuss about the short question. What are our short question? And I will also send the answers of short questions into your group. Okay, first question is given, but a long question you have to mark in your book by yourself. Okay, so short questions. First question is that a nerve cell does not divide after its formation. In which phase of cell cycle it is? A nerve cell. If you keep in your mind of your lesson, which we have discussed during the lecture, in which we have studied that a cell cycle has two stages. Okay, and these are interphase and mitotic phase. So first is interphase, in which cell prepare itself for division, and at that stage we see the three stages: G1 phase, G0 phase, and G2 phase, and S phase. So when we talk about the nerve cell, we all of know nerve cells are very long inside our body. They are actually connected with our spinal cord, and they take messages from the brain to the relevant part of your body. So it does not divide after its formation. So after which state we also discuss that there is a G0 phase. Okay, when a cell is completely divided, that it go into G0 phase. It is a state in which cells relax and they never divide further. Okay, so which is the that state, that is a G0 phase. This is the answer of first question. Now question number 2, how is cytokinesis different in plant cells are compared to animal cell? Uh, its answer is given on page number 90 in your book. Its answer is given on page number 90 in your book. After the mitosis, cytokinesis given okay, how they are different. We all of know in animals cytokinesis occur by a process known as cleavage, but cytokinesis in plant cells occur differently. Vesicle derived from the Golgi apparatus move to the middle of the cell and fuse to form a membrane bounding. This called cell plate or phragmoblast. The plate grows outward and new vesicles fuse with it. Finally, membranes of cell plate fuse with plasma membrane, and its contents join the parental cell bond. The result, the daughter cell. You can find complete answer on page number 90. Heading is given cytokinesis. First paragraph is explaining the animal cytokinesis in animal cell, and the second paragraph is explaining the cytokinesis in plant cell. Okay, now come to question number 3. This is your another short question. Okay, what type of cell division occurs when our wounds are healed? So its answer is very simple. Mitosis is happen in our body. So how our wounds are healed? कैसे हमारे जो if there is any injury और कोई हमें wounds होते हैं या कोई हो जाता है तो इससे ठीक होता है. It is healed by these wounds are healed by mitosis. Mitosis. This is the correct answer. Now question number 4. Plants do not make their gametes by meiosis. How is that? This is very important question we have discussed in our book cytokinesis in plants, cytokinesis in animal cell. Then we have discussed the 4 stages of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. But when we discuss meiosis, we have discussed about the animal cell. In this question they are कि why plant do not make their gametes by meiosis, कि वो अपने gametes को जो है meiosis के जरिए क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं. So before explaining it, I would like to explain you that all plants have alternation of generation. It is also given in your book. Some plants first they start their sexual reproduction by sporophyte. They produce spores. They grow in in body, when they reaches in the ovule, then they start the gametophyte generation. Gametophyte generation means they produce a zygote, and from that a new plant is formed. So they show the alternate. So that the cells of diploid sporophyte generation undergo meiosis to produce haploid spore, which grow into haploid gametophyte generation, and gametophyte generation produce haploid gametes, through which what is happened in the body, the gametes combine to produce diploid zygote. So zygote undergo repeated mitosis to become diploid sporophyte. From the above given discussion, we can conclude that plants do not make their gametes by meiosis. This is a complex answer. That in plants, two types of reproduction is happened. First is sporophyte and other is gametophyte. First, pollens falls on the body of the plant. They reaches into the body of the ovary, and ovules, in ovules they are fuses with each other, and because of that, what is happened? Reproduction is started. After reproduction, they produce the gametes. So gametophyte is happened. So because of that, only mitosis is happen in plants and meiosis is not happen. So the answer is clear that plants do not make their gametes by meiosis. Okay, so this is the answer. Now your lecture is ended. Now your chapter number 5 is completed. Your exercise is completed. Uh, you have to write these 4 short questions in your register. This is your homework of today. I will also send you the answers. And for long questions, you have to mark in your book and you have to learn all these questions. I have also told you about the page number. Here you can find the answers. Okay, now your class is ended. If you have any confusion, if you want to ask any question, you can ask.